New day. The air feels so fresh today. I love waking up early. It gives me time to think and plan my day. The morning air smells so nice. The sky looks beautiful. First, I'll boil some water for tea. I always start my morning with warm tea. It makes me feel fresh and calm. There we go. A cup of tea for a peaceful start. Let's see. Today, I need to cook breakfast, clean the house, go to the market, and wash the clothes. A busy day as always, but that's okay. I love taking care of my family.
Morning, Mary. You're up so early again.
Good morning, dear. Yes, I always wake up before 6.
You're amazing. I can't start my day without your tea.
Then sit down. I made some for you, too.
Thank you, honey. I don't know how you do all this every day.
It's love, John. When I see our family happy, I feel happy, too. Let's make something simple and healthy. Maybe rice soup with eggs and some vegetables. Cooking in the morning feels nice. The smell of food makes the house warm.
What can I do to help?
Can you wash the vegetables, please?
Sure. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Yes, it does. Perfect. Now the soup is ready. I'll fry some eggs next. Everything looks ready. Now, time to wake the kids. Tom, wake up, sweetheart. It's morning already.
Oh, Mom, just 5 more minutes, please.
You said that yesterday, too. Come on, it's time to get ready for school.
Okay, I'm getting up.
That's my good boy. Don't forget to brush your teeth and wash your face. Good morning, my little princess.
Morning, Mommy. I'm already awake.
Really? You're faster than your brother.
I want to help you set the table.
That's so sweet. Let's go, dear.
Wow. Breakfast looks wonderful, Mary.
Thank you, dear. I hope you all like it.
I'm starving. Can I start?
Of course. Let's eat together.
Mommy, your soup is yummy.
Thank you, Lena. I made it with love.
Can I have another egg, Mom?
Sure. Here you go.
I love mornings like this. All of us together, eating and talking.
Me too. It's the best part of my day.
After breakfast, can I play for a little before school?
Only for a few minutes, Tom. Don't be late.
Okay, Mom.
Tom, do you have your school bag?
Yes, Mom. Books, pencils, and lunchbox all ready.
Good boy. And Lena, did you pack your coloring book?
Yes, Mommy. Oh, wait! I forgot my water bottle.
Here it is. Don't forget next time.
Sorry, Mommy. I'll remember.
Kids, let's go. I'll drop you at school on my way to the office.
Thanks, John. Drive safely. Have a great day, my loves. Listen to your teachers and be kind to everyone.
We will, Mom.
Bye, Mommy. Love you.
Love you too. The house feels so quiet now. Time to start my chores. First, I'll wash the dishes, then I'll sweep and mop the floor. Clean dishes, clean heart, a happy start. The house gets dusty so quickly, but I like to see everything neat. There, shiny and clean. I love it. So many clothes today. Tom and Lena always play outside, so their uniforms get dirty every day. The sunshine will make them smell fresh. Cleaning makes me tired, but it also makes me happy. I love a clean home.
Good morning, Mary. You're early today.
Good morning. Yes, I want to buy some fresh vegetables before it gets too hot.
I have nice green beans and carrots today.
Great. Please give me half a kilo of each.
Hello, Mary. Would you like some fresh fish?
Yes, please.
How much for one fish? Only $3 today. Very fresh. Okay, I'll take 2. You always buy early. That's why you get the best fish.
Thank you. I like good food for my family. I'll also take some bananas and mangoes. The kids love fruit after school. Thank you, everyone. Have a good day. You too, Mary. Let's cook something nice. Fried fish, soup, and vegetables. That'll be perfect for lunch. Cooking takes time, but it's worth it when the food smells so good. Listen to that sound. Crispy and delicious.
Wow, it smells amazing, Mary.
Lunch is ready. Wash your hands, dear.
Sure thing. You always make the best meals.
Thank you. I'd just like to see everyone enjoy the food.
This fish is perfect. Not too salty, not too oily.
I'm glad you like it. Tom needs new shoes soon. His are getting small.
All right, we'll buy some this weekend.
Thank you, dear. Finally, a little quiet time for me. I'll rest before the kids come home. Maybe I'll watch a short cooking video. I love learning new recipes. It's nice to have a few calm minutes in the day. Reading helps me relax and gives me new ideas for teaching the kids. Time to prepare snacks for Tom and Lena.
Mommy!
Hi, sweetheart. How was your day?
It was fun. I drew a flower in art class.
That's wonderful. You're such a creative girl.
Mom, I learned about wild animals today.
Really? That sounds interesting. Which one did you like the most?
The lion, because it's brave.
That's my brave boy. Are you hungry? I made banana pancakes.
Yay! My favorite!
Mine too. You were the best, Mom.
Thank you, dear. Let's go home and eat. Here you go. Eat your snack first, then do your homework.
Okay, Mom. These pancakes are so good.
I want another one, please.
Sure, sweetheart. Tom, what's your homework today?
Math and reading.
All right, I'll check your answers when you finish.
Mommy, can you help me color this?
Of course. Let's make your picture bright and colorful. I'm proud of you both. You're learning so well.
I'm home.
Daddy!
How was school today?
Great! I got 9 out of 10 in my test.
That's amazing, son.
And I drew a pretty flower.
Wow! I can't wait to see it.
Welcome home, dear. Dinner's almost ready.
Smells delicious already.
I made your favorite soup tonight.
Thank you, honey. You work so hard every day.
It's all for our family.
Mom, this soup is so tasty.
Thank you, Tom. I added some fresh herbs today.
Can we eat this again tomorrow?
Maybe. Let's see what we have in the fridge.
Every meal you make is special, Mary.
Oh, thank you. I'm happy you enjoy it.
Dad, can we go to the park this weekend?
Sure, that's a great idea.
We can bring a picnic, too.
Yay! Picnic time!
Almost done. Just a few more plates. All right, kids. Time for bed. Mom, can you tell us a story? Of course, dear. Come to bed. Once upon a time, there was a kind mother who loved her family very much. Just like you, Mommy. Maybe a little bit.
Good night, Mommy. We love you.
Good night, Mommy. We love you.
I love you too. Sweet dreams, my loves. Another busy day is done. I feel tired, but also very thankful. My family is healthy, happy, and safe. That's the most important thing. Tomorrow will be another busy day, but I'll face it with love and patience, just like today.